Day, as so often in the summer of 1940, the odds seemed stacked in the Germans' favour. They'd overrun most of Europe. Surely it couldn't be long before they overwhelmed the RAF. From their base at Saint-Trond, east of Brussels, the Dorniers crossed the coast near Ostend, where they were joined by Messerschmitt 109 fighters. Together they flew out over the North Sea and began following the North Kent coast towards the Thames.
As they approached the mouth of the Thames estuary, they then turned south, roughly towards RAF Manston in Kent. It is believed the idea of this was to bring up as many RAF fighters as possible, because at the same time the Luftwaffe had up a massive formation, at least 3 wings of single-engine fighters to counter the RAF.
Most of the RAF fighters scrambled to meet the attack with Spitfires and Hurricanes. Soon they were engaged in a fierce dogfight with the bombers and their fighter escorts. But a few of the RAF planes were Defiants, less manoeuvrable and with a 2-man crew and distinctive machine gun turret behind the pilot. Among the Dorniers was aircraft call sign 5 Conrad Anton Richard.
The RAF fighters actually managed to get in amongst them. The Defiants managed to get into the bomber formation, and it's believed got underneath them and used their turrets, which were behind the pilot, to shoot down a number of their aircraft.
5 Conrad Anton Richard was among those hit. The stricken plane flew on south, out towards the Channel, rapidly losing power and height. With no chance of reaching home and safety, the pilot chose to bring his aircraft down on the water. It's not certain what happened, but one theory is that his wingtip may have touched the surface. He lost control and the plane flipped over onto its back, where it came to rest, damaged but still intact.